Biofuels, the future of energy. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The earth has enough to satisfy everyone's needs, but not to satisfy everyone's greed." If only people could understand the meaning of Gandhiji's thought, the world would have been a much better place to live in today. Human beings who are believed to be the most intelligent creatures on this planet have foolishly enough paved their way with greed towards early destruction of their home. The resources to sustain life on this planet are limited. But with the population going out of control in few countries and people embracing the modern lifestyle, seldom the fact that this planet is slowly running out of basic needs slips from our mind. So what runs this advanced, industrialized and pro-technology driven civilization? Of course, it's energy. And the major part of this energy comes from fossils. These fossils are the blessings of our ancestors. When we try to picture a developed country, with cars zooming from one place to the other, bullet trains crisscrossing the country, airplanes hovering in the sky, brightly lit cities and high-end technology-driven security systems, among others, is what comes to our mind, right? Well, none of these can sustain without energy. In 2018, the globe witnessed an increase in oil demand by 1.3%, which is almost twice the average demand witnessed in the previous 10 years. The transport sector mainly predominating this oil demand, oil reserves are predicted to become empty by 2058. So next time you keep the ignition turned on a red light, remember this number. Though coal and natural gases are believed to last a little longer, yet this is not enough to sustain the humongous demand. About 420 million years ago, during the late Silurian period, a discovery that defined human beings of their intelligence and separated them from other animals was the fire. Even today, this discovery is believed to be the driving force of human civilization. With time, people have proved that if they are responsible for the planet's destruction, it is only them who can save their abode from being destroyed. India is a developing country with an average oil demand of 5,270 barrels per day in the year 2019. With such a hunger for oil, it is a tough way for India to conserve fossil fuels for the near future. The government of India has recently resolved to meet the target of 20% ethanol blending in petrol by the year 2025. This will encourage the fifth largest economy to strengthen its energy security. Subsequently, it will enable the local enterprises and farmers to take part in the energy economy and bring down automobile emission. The central government must keep on looking at ways to reduce the program's dependence on sugarcane. Alternative sources such as agricultural waste, recycled cooking oil among others provide more efficient, environment-friendly biofuels. Incentivizing private and public players can encourage them to set up second-generation ethanol facilities, thereby reducing the dependence on sugarcane.